She got a new camera, everybody, so you can see how tired she looks even better, even clearer. Let's go to the nice lighting view. You see how dirty the kitchen is, but we're working on it because my family's coming over.
Show the nice two corners there.
Oh yes, Bradley, I came down and Bradley said there's two corners of our house that look nice. Well, hold on, my tripod's in the way. We have our dining table area, looks beautiful. And then our couch, I mean, not that way. Oh, but now the baby carrier's on the couch, so that didn't last long.
But I fluffed it and I cleaned it.
Thank you. Milo's having a big week. He can crawl now and he can sit up all within the last couple of days, and we're like, what is going on? Two exciting developments out here. Number one, we got a table. So I love this. It's very like Nancy Meyers vibes. It's from Lowe's. They got some cushions. We have these wicker chairs, which at first we were like, are we wicker people? But then like we loved the set so much. It comes with a bench. We did get an umbrella, but it doesn't open, so we have to return it and get another one. But after a year of living here and 3 dining tables built and returned, we finally have this one. So knock on wood, this one, you know, we don't return this one, but I don't think we're going to. We really, really like it. And even more exciting than that, look at my picture perfect daffodil. Have you ever seen anything more beautiful in your goddamn life? And it even, can we focus on that? It has some dewdrops on it. I don't know if that's gonna pick that up. It should. Come on, I just spent so much money on, oh, there you go. Look at that. Yes. So nothing has ever been more rewarding. And yes, that includes growing a child. No, I'm just kidding. This has been incredibly rewarding just because you plant them. We planted them in early November. It is now almost March, so what, 4 months? I think these are blooming early just because we are in California and all that. But like, look, I'm gonna have several more. This one should open tomorrow, I hope. The tulips are coming up, and then these are the white daffodils. My mom thought it was so weird that they were the same type of daffodils, just different colors, but these ones came up much quicker than those. Those came up before those, so maybe it's the position of the pots. I have no idea, but truly, I don't know that I've ever been so excited. Like, look at how beautiful that is. Wow. And then, look at this. So I bought this poppy plant a while ago, and we had it in the side yard. And it was doing okay, but I moved it over here and it's doing much better in the sun. And I like, whatever plant I bought makes yellow and these pinkish orange flowers. So I love them. I don't know anything about poppies. They seem to wilt really quickly in the sun. So maybe you're supposed to cut them as soon as they bloom. But look, these are what they start as. You can see the flower coming out. It's so cool and weird. And they're very stemmy. So if you have any tips on that, let me know. But just wow, who knew the flowers were so rewarding? But yeah, I am filming some reels right now. My family's coming over to hang. Bradley's doing dishes. I'm gonna clean up the kitchen, but I just wanted to start a new vlog on my new camera. Let's test the focus. Yeah. Oh God, let's not be that close. I think I hear the dog. Ludi buddy, what are you doing, honey? Do you want to come downstairs? I don't know why he does this, but he does. I got laundry drying on the thing because I was too lazy to hang it up last night. Hey guys. So it is, oh my God, myself a friend. Yikes. Try not to stare at that the whole time now. So I don't even remember when the last time, I think I vlogged yesterday, but it is Friday evening now. I just got Milo down to sleep. Bradley's on his way home from work, and we have what we call Freezer Friday. And I wanted to tell you about this. So this is, I don't have the box, which is really frustrating. I'm sorry about that. But this is the Costco brand Kirkland cauliflower crust pizza. And it has pepperoni sausage, peppers. I think it has like zucchini on it, which I don't like, so I just avoid the zucchini. I think it has mushrooms. It just is so good, and we had it last Friday, and I've been thinking about it nonstop, so we're having it again, so I'm very excited. But yeah, I'm gonna get that in the oven. And some nights after I put Milo down, like I just am fried and I have no energy to do anything. But tonight I feel okay, so I'm going to try and pick up as much of this kitchen mess as I can. And then we have tickets for Disneyland tomorrow, which is a Saturday, which our passes, there's shit all behind me too. Our passes don't usually like allow Saturdays. We usually have those blocked, but for some reason we can go tomorrow. So we have that booked. And our plan is to be able, because we always say we're gonna leave early, but then it takes us forever to get out the door. So we're gonna pack up everything in the car tonight. So that is our plan. Then maybe I'll take a bath, I don't know. I didn't sleep that great last night, so I'm excited to go to sleep. But yeah, just thought I just really wanted to share about the pizza. So I'm gonna get that in the oven as soon as it's warmed. warm, you know what I mean. But I figured I'd give you a little time lapse of me tidying in the meantime. Today it is Wednesday and Bradley works later on in the day, so I am having like a full work day. Well, I am stopping to get my nails done because they look like crap and I need to film some sponsored stuff over the weekend. But I'm trying time blocking since I don't have like a bunch of time like I used to. And actually the first hour of my workday is to pick up my office, because every time I sit down in here I just feel like I can't get anything done because everything's a damn mess. So first hour, picking up, tidying up, dusting, whatever I need to do, however much I can get done in that hour. Second hour is emails and like admin stuff, getting my content schedule planned, and just, yeah, and then after that, I'm gonna have, I think, about an hour to edit some reels and some other stuff before I get my nails done. So, let's get to tidying. Hey guys, happy Friday. I have a little friend and another friend over here. It is a mess in here, but Milo and I are just hanging out, huh? Yeah. He's like, what are you doing, crazy woman? And today his new Love Every kit came. So this is not sponsored. They do send me their products, which I am very grateful for because they are Milo's favorite toys. But they're basically Montessori, I think that's how you say it, style toys that just like really, yeah, promote like using your imagination and developing and all that. And they have different kits for every 2 months. I think there's the 0 to 3. And then there, you move on from there. So this is the 7 and 8 month kit. It's called the Inspector. And so I thought we could open it together and see what Milo thinks. Okay, we have some sort of box. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Oh, we got some cute flashcards. Is that Looney? Oh, nice. He loves texture. Okay, these are flashcards, but they have like texture on them. Oh my gosh, she is going to love these. That is so fun. Oh, hope that's not real cat hair. That's terrifying. Cat, dog, ball. This is so fun. I'm having way more fun than he is. Baby, car, leaf, mirror. That is so much fun. We're loving the ball, obviously. But I just love how colorful all the toys are, and I don't know what these are yet. I gotta read the thing. Ludo obviously loves them. happy Sunday. Our house is a mess and I plan to get to that later, but I'm about to leave to get us cheeseburger sundae. Gonna go through the In-N-Out drive-through ob, but I did want to show you, which we're gonna eat out here today because we can. But we got, I don't know if I told you, but the umbrella we got before was broken or something. I don't know, Bradley exchanged it, now it's up. So we're gonna eat out here and I'm so excited. I love it. It's just very Nancy Meyers vibes to me and I'm so happy. Also, I think at the beginning of this vlog, which it's been a while and I just need to upload this, now you can have a full daffodil update. Like how gorge. Let's have a beautiful montage. We just had our In-N-Out, which I was fully planning on showing you, but we just scarfed it down right away. But for those of you who do not know, Bradley's family does something called, what do you even call this? Frisbee dog frisbeeing. His mom is really big into it and very good at it. And so Bradley grew up doing it. And he plays with Ludo, who Ludo at first had like an interest in it, like he was really interested in the Frisbee, but not so good at catching it. But now all of a sudden Ludo's very good at it. So I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek. I just missed it. Oh yeah. Hi friends. Why does this zoom in? Ooh, I'm zooming in myself. But hi guys, ooh, I'm standing right in the heater and that feels great. So it's later on now. Milo and I just got home. My friend Brittany has a like event planning company and she does these adorable little mini photo sessions for kids or for your families or whatever. We did one for Christmas. I Instagrammed those. Oh, hold on. That's Mama's shoe. That's nasty. So for that photo shoot, I went to Old Navy a couple days ago and I thought I'd show you what I got. So I just wanted something like springy. I didn't really care. I didn't know what I was looking for. Actually, Carter's had this really cute like pink, what do you call it, like gingham. You know, it looks kind of like a picnic blanket. They had a really cute pink gingham like onesie that I wanted them to wear on Easter, but it was sold out in our size. So I was like, dang it. But this ended up being so cute for the photo shoot. It's just this little like denim little romper. It's so cute. And this is actually 6 to 12 months. So he'll be able to wear this till he's 1. So that was great because it was a little pricier compared to what I spend on everything else. But then of course I also picked up some other stuff. We got this Adorbs strawberry situation. I'm kind of over the dinosaurs because when you have a boy, like all that's available to you are dinosaur prints. But this one was like so colorful and fun that I thought it was cute. See, look how cute. And again, these are 6 to 12 months, so they'll fit him a little bit longer. And then of course some Easter prints. My personal favorite, the happy carrots. They're so cute. And of course you can stay tuned for a full Easter clothing haul on a Reels on my Instagram. And then the cute little bunnies and chicks. I just couldn't. Really loving the themed holiday clothes. So yeah, that's what I picked up from Old Navy. Now we're just hanging out. I still haven't gotten to pick up around here, but we're about to start like the dinner and bedtime routine. It's almost 6 and we usually start eating around like 6:15, at least feeding him. And then we'll do bath and bedtime and all that. I am working on a nighttime routine, so this will probably go up before that, so stay tuned for that. Although we're working on it, I feel like right now, the nighttime is the only, hello Lou, routine that we have. So I gotta go. The baby is getting close to chewing on a dog toy, so that's great. But yeah, just wanted to show you my little Old Navy haul before I cut off tags and wash things. Okay, got the baby down. It is 7:15. His bedtime is usually between 7 and 7:30. We try, my goal eventually for like this season of life for him, just because he is usually sleeping 12 hours. Sometimes he does wake up to eat or, you know, whatever. But I would like it to be 7:30 to 7:30. But we're still working on naps, and a lot of the time we're too tired to make it to 7:30, so we end up going to bed around 7. But so he's down for the night. I have leftover turkey meatballs in the oven, and I also made a box of like the Annie's white pasta mac and cheese. Delicious. We got a lot of deliveries today that I want to unbox and just pick up. So until my dinner is done heating up, which is like 5 minutes, but I'm gonna start to pick up and then hopefully finish after I eat. I'm gonna throw on, I've been watching really old Kardashians. I don't know why, it just feels nice. So, oh, actually I do know why, because I'm preparing for the new one and I'm so excited. So yeah.